By subscribing my channel, we will be consolidating multiple question and answers which will help in career growth. 111. What is a change request used?
Track changes to IT systems and services. B. Manage incidents. C. Define data transformation rules. D. Create new catalog items. Answer. A. Request and track changes to IT systems and services. 112. What does the change calendar provide in ServiceNow? A. A visual representation of scheduled changes and their impacts. B. A list of open incidents. C. User permissions and roles. D. Catalog item details. Answer. A. A visual representation of scheduled changes and their impacts. 113. Who is responsible for approving a major change request? A. Change Advisory Board, CAB. B. Incident Manager. C. Service Desk Agent. D. Change Manager. Answer. A. Change Advisory Board, CAB. 114. Which of the following is a type of change request in ServiceNow? A. Emergency change. B. Data import. C. Catalog request. D. Incident update. Answer. A. Emergency change. 115. What does the change impact assessment help to determine? A. The potential effects of a proposed change on IT services and systems. B. The priority of incidents. C. The response time for service requests. D. The configuration of user roles. Answer. A. The potential effects of a proposed change on IT services and systems. 116. How does problem management differ from incident management? A. Problem management focuses on identifying and managing root causes of incidents, while incident management deals with resolving individual incidents. B. Problem management handles service catalog requests, while incident management manages change requests. C. Problem management is used for user permissions, while incident management deals with configuration items. D. Problem management manages data imports, while incident management focuses on form design. Answer. A. Problem management focuses on identifying and managing root causes of incidents, while incident management deals with resolving individual incidents. 117. What is a known error record in problem management? A. A problem with a documented root cause and workaround. B. An incident without a solution. C. A change request pending approval. D. A catalog item that failed to deploy. Answer. A. A problem with a documented root cause and workaround. 118. Which of the following is not typically a step in problem management? A. Identifying and documenting the problem. B. Implementing a temporary workaround. C. Resolving the problem. D. Creating a new data import set. Answer. D. Creating a new data import set. 119. What is a problem investigation used for? A. To determine the root cause of problems and plan for resolution. B. To create new service catalog items. C. To automate workflows. D. To manage user roles. Answer. A. To determine the root cause of problems and plan for resolution. 120. Who typically owns the resolution of a problem? A. Problem manager. B. Incident manager. C. Change manager. D. Service desk agent. Answer. A. Problem Manager. 121. What is the purpose of the CMDB, Configuration Management Database? A. To store information about configuration items and their relationships. B. To manage user roles. C. To automate business processes. D. To track incidents and problems. Answer. A. To store information about configuration items and their relationships. 122. Which of the following is a primary benefit of using a CMDB? A. Improved visibility and management of IT infrastructure and services. B. Faster incident resolution. C. Simplified form design. D. Enhanced reporting capabilities. Answer. A. Improved visibility and management of IT infrastructure and services. 123. How is a configuration item, CI, categorized in the CMDB? A. By type and relationship to other sys. B. By user role. C. By incident priority. D. By service catalog item. Answer. A. By type and relationship to other sys. 124. What is the purpose of C relationships in the CMDB? A. To define how configuration items are interconnected and depend on each other. B. To categorize incidents. C. To create new workflows. D. To manage data imports. Answer. A. To define how configuration items are interconnected and depend on each other. 125. Which module is used to view and manage the CMDB in ServiceNow? A. Configuration management. B. Incident management. C. Change management. D. Service catalog. Answer. A. Configuration management. 126. What is the purpose of data import sets in ServiceNow? A. To import data from external sources into ServiceNow. B. To export data from ServiceNow. C. To create new data tables. D. To define user roles. Answer. A. To import data from external sources into ServiceNow. 127. What tool is used to transform data during the import process? A. Transform map. B. Workflow editor. C. Data export tool. D. Form designer. Answer. A. Transform map. 128. What is the role of a transform map in data import? A. To map imported data to the appropriate ServiceNow tables. B. To create new user roles. C. To define UI policies. D. To manage service catalog items. Answer. A. To map imported data to the appropriate ServiceNow tables. 129. How can you automate data imports on a schedule in ServiceNow? A. By using the import set scheduler. B. By configuring a business rule. C. By defining a UI policy. D. By creating a new catalog item. Answer. A. By using the import set scheduler. 130. What is a data lookup rule used for? A. To populate fields in a record based on specific conditions. B. To create new data tables. C. To manage user roles. D. To define service catalog items. Answer. A. To populate fields in a record based on specific conditions. Please support